I'm not even want to use the bad word because I'm not like that. I don't normally use bad word in my life. I don't really like it. You get me? I don't really like it. Big up yourself, Shanti Boo. Enough love and respect. Yeah? Yeah, people. I don't want someone to come on my live. I don't want someone to come ask me no blood clot. No, I don't want nobody on my life come ask me no about no blood clot. I don't have no friend. Only friend, I not even want to say the things in my life. I want to say to them, I feel ignorant right now. I don't want nobody come on my blood. I don't want nobody come on my live. Come ask me no about no friend. I make a post today. I'm make you know who is my friend. Them days my friend. I don't have no friend. Sharon is my friend. Now Rennie is my friend. You get me? I'm tired of all of this right now. So I don't want to come and tell me about friend. If Sharon was my friend, it would have reached us from morning. You get me? Sharon is not my friend. I don't want nobody come tell me about friend. You get me? I have feelings and me tired of it. I want to talk. We is not friends. You get me? I'm going to get to understand so them they on live. I this up my blood clot, man. I'm in a run joke. You get me? Me I know I come from farm. Me I know I come from farm. I want to talk the things them now. You know I diss him, I know I diss me. What the fuck me do? Me ever diss you know? Him ever diss you know? What the fuck are the problem? I want to know what are the problem. You get me? Come like say, you don't want peace. You don't want peace. Me is that type of person. You get me? When me say peace. You get me? So me no want you come go on like say you want come style me. I don't want come style me man. I don't know nobody tell me. I want me sit for myself. Cause me not take ears say. You get me? Me not take ears say. I see me say. You get me? All of that is thinking fans. Someone will go over this and come here so and I talk about Marvin and I talk about Marvin and all dirty girl with their blood clot friend as know say if I know who me are talking of. Love start up things to look across this girl with their foreign, you know. We walk and sell nobody like dog we do nobody and that you need for do over back and beat things, you know. For go away, you know. Cause I start up all of this thing here, you know. Uno see I come up now, Marvin this and that and Marvin. Uno alone I comment that can't nobody else now comment that and I stir up people. You get me? I don't want nobody come by us to come talk about no friend. Only friend I have, I'm a man, I'm a pitney, my mother, I'm a father, I'm a sister, I'm a brother. You get me? Me don't want nobody come by us to come talk about friend. Me don't have no friend. You get me? If Sharon already was my friend from morning, it would reach us so. You get me? Nothing at my top for this blow up over social media just so not at all happen. I go up on my interview and Sharon go make video and talk say me can't style our friend. How the freak me style your friend? How the freak me for your style friend? I go up on interview and talk the things I'm gonna talk how it go. Cause people attack one bag of things. So I go up on it and want address the situation. So I go up on interview and I talk the things and why we are not friends. Because Marvin make a video and claim to say only him attack, which at first me didn't think I only him attack too. So I'm telling you say I only him attack. So what happened after when me telling you say share Renee and I only him attack? You get me? I try to prove it over and over again for say I only him attack. Why you couldn't get the fact? If you know say I only no. You know I go make video and I go screenshot conversation and I go put up on social media. Oh, is it that we are friends and you're gonna do something like that? Me don't never ever in my mind think about for do something like that. You're gonna screenshot conversation and say, yes, you're a liar. And what? You get me? Prove it, say me they put up something to and say, alright then, me tell you say I don't know him attack, I can't get that. And just because of that alone, it causes this big sum over this world. I'm tired of it. I want to know, man, look how much friends break up and tear apart. Friends do this and friends do that. I want to know. You get me? You get me? don't want nobody come for my life, come tell me about no time. I do my things so long. And it I got this so long. You get me? Friends I come from 35 years, 45 years, all of these years. And then break up. You hear me? And me don't know how it reach so far that's on on social media. This me. And I this my friend them. If you know I did my friend. And people know attack, you're there for your life and you attack the things I'm gonna say your friend come from this and your friend come from this. And people are coming and attack about yeah, and a Batman Marvin and you go agree with that and attack about Marvet and Marvish and I made fake page and I into that and I wouldn't and you Batman, how the fuck you know him? I not even want to get too mad for my life, you know. You get me? Me and I come from friend and whose things won't do me that never ever look about me that never this one on a man. Never ever this one on a man. No time. Would think about for this one on a man. But to want to come on social media at this moment, all you, especially you, Rene. I come call my man Batman like him ever fuck your father. Me no business make me right now. Me's a humble girl. I'm gonna like mix up, but I'm tired of it. Oh, no claim say, oh no, I'm a friend. I don't come on live at this moment. And at this me. Cause girl upon live I talk about shitty pussy. I don't agree with that. If me upon my live I talk the blood clot things them. And somebody come on my live at this to know. Me I run them off from live and block no. So me don't want no friend from none of Uno. I tell the world is me don't want a friend from Rene. And me don't want a friend from Cher. So no come off, me don't want nobody come from my life come tell me no. Nobody. You get me? And the final thing this, me don't want no friend. We are friends for years, yes? You get me? Me a real friend. Me a real friend. Me don't want nobody come from my life. Come tell me nothing about a friend. You get me? Cause them are not my friend. Them is not my friend. So me tired of it. Yeah, my friend and people are come from life and diss me. And I diss me and I diss up my man I call him Batman. And I thought this and call that. And I only to get up on your blood, only to get up on your life. This and that and whatever. And I come and I diss me on the sides and girl I come talk about shitty pussy. And you're there live, I laugh with them. Oh the fuck yeah, my friend. And you're there on live, I laugh with them people there. Me can't there on live and talk things like them there. We can't depend on people that talk things like them there. Eh? And you agree with that? Me not, if somebody come from my life and talk bad things about my friend, me I diss them. Me not ask Christ whether we talk or we not talk, me I diss them. And first of all, me not diss none of them man. And my man never diss you yet. We claim to say him diss you because he make one video. One fucking video he make. What we claim to say is him is Uno him attack. Where's the proof? For sure it say is Uno him attack. Him go as far as even make video post on Facebook and all these things and make the people them know say I know Uno him attack and explain the thing from scratch go to top and still depend the friggin' still upon this straight thing could come off you know. I don't know how Uno hate this boy so much and he come like say it just draft and just hate me to understand the things them. Uno not a real friend. What happened? Uno tell me what happened? What the frig happened? To make this reach international. Eh? Tell me what happened to make it reach good, but I have to laugh, you know. Me have to laugh and nobody no know. Nobody no know. You get me? A family me say me not send no friend. Me not share no. Me not Rene no. So where this reach so far? What kind of friend Uno? It now go reach back this so it don't make no sense. People upon friend at this and that it's not going to be there. You get me no matter what it now go do, it now go back this so. You get me? So I don't want nobody come by my life me this and come tell me that cause it's not go blood clot. Not even like us bad on my life, you know. But it not go go there, so people me a beg you know. Just leave me out of this friendship business, please and thanks, because none of them know me go through and none of them know me feel. Yeah, I'm a friend for much years where you claim to say we are friends. Yeah? And then how comes you go screenshot me a conversation where we're supposed to be this friend, not even friend, but like sisters. How comes you go screenshot me a conversation? I put on big social media. What have I done for you? Do that. Eh? Tell me. You get me? So that more I know. What the freak me do? Only thing I do. Come pan live. I'm take a sip now. Cause I'm cool down. Only thing I do come pan live. It really hurt me. I'm could hold it tears because me I hold it in from when and it really hurt me. You get me? How comes you're my friend like that? And you go screenshot my conversation, post on fucking social media. Like really? What kind of friends are you? Tell me. Just tell me what kind of friend. I'm tell them the type of person who me is. You see me? Me is a loving person. Very, very, very loving person. Me will have my last and give it to people and come in and come back in my house hungry. And just lie down and say, as somebody else me a help out. You get me? Me take another sip because this me not done yet. What you say? Live now. We need to show you your body. You have to take a sip. So people, yeah, a long time want this, you know. Long time want this and let out this. You get me? We are friends from long time. Yeah. But everybody a human being and everybody have feelings. You get me? Nothing at all, nothing fair. This reach, all of us, this reach Iraq. Iraq this reach. You get me? So, me know all the body. If I go on my live, and come on my live, and mention a friend to me, I am going to block you. Get me? So, no disrespect to everybody. You know, some I normally use in this language. I'm live. So, I'm get out real bad. I'm never did I go hold it no more. I never did I hold it. It's worse. I see with the compa live. I diss up my man. And I call him Marvet, Marvisha, Batman, and this and that. You get me? Who know I'm a friend? Who don't know what is what? I not even want to talk it on my life, but who know I'm a friend? Who know I go like say me and Marvin just to do this? I don't know we I do this. I don't come to my life and I this up my man. Me no run joke, me no run them joke there. Me no run them joke there cause me no go on no social media. Not even go on the social media. Me nah this none of no man. You get me? Me nah this none of no man. Me no want me hurt about it. Somebody have to come talk about it. I don't know no this him up and only this him up me I get this up too. Me I get this up too. cause you know they on live and you know talk and this and friend me and my friend and we share the best wine and we used to this and you talk from school come to bump and then you know dead and then you know go talk about call my man Marvin and Marvish or Marvin or Batman and all for something. And who say the bad comments that the people them tell about me. Cause this no one this me and this no one this me and that size, you know. But I feel like the brains bigger than mine, you know. And this no one this me and that size, and I don't want it make you know want it make to my future. And this no one this me and that size. You get me? But you don't want to come straight because you don't want it to look bad. I'm really tired of it. I'm tired of it. This should have been stopped a long time. You know, say it never have to reach so far. It never have to reach so far, you know. I swear it never have to reach so friggin' far. You get me? No disrespect.